Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created these gingerbread nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. The first color we're going to use is Madame Glam's Sugar Cookie. This is going to be our base for our glitter. Sugar Cookie is a silver linear holographic color. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this on my ring finger and my thumb. The next color we're going to use is Madame Glam's Taste Like Glam. And I feel like the best way to describe this color is a gingerbread. This is a gingerbread brown shade. It is what I always use when I do gingerbread nails. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this on the rest of my nails. Then we're going to use Madame Glam's Moon Dust. This is a mix between a silver and a gold glitter, and it's got kind of like these shards in it. Super pretty, super sparkly. I'm going to paint this on top of the sugar cookie. And then I'm going to do a second coat of Taste Like Glam. Next, we're going to do some stamping. So I'm going to bring out my Maniology Holiday Stamper and Scraper set. Then I have this cute gingerbread plate. This is M417. This came in the box of joy along with that stamper and scraper set. And then for stamping polishes, I didn't have anything that would work for Maniology, so I'm going to pull from Clear Jelly Stamper. I have number 82, which is this creamy color, and then I have number 31, which is a brown. So I'm going to cleanse my nails that we're going to do the stamping on. I'm going to try to pick up this gingerbread man, and you'll see that I'm having trouble picking it up. So I just decided to move on to the next image, and I would come back to that. Sometimes you got to do that when you're stamping. If you're having a hard time picking up the same image, maybe move on to another nail, pick up a different image, come back to it. You just got to kind of work with it. So I end up stamping the cream shade is going to be my background for all of the gingerbread pieces. On my pointer finger, I picked up the one of the scattered images. So this one has a mitten, it has a heart, a house, a gingerbread man. It just got like a mix of different cookie shapes. And then on my middle finger, I do stamp down the gingerbread men. On my other hand, I have the gingerbread woman. And then on my pinky, I stamp down the stocking. On my other hand, I have a snowflake stamped down. And then I do use the brown shade to do the outlining for all of them. So then I want to add some hand detail to the stamping. So I'll be using Madame Glam's gel paint in red and in white. So with the red, I'm going to do the like gumdrop buttons on the gingerbread men. And then I'm going to do some accents on these scattered images as well. So I'm just using a dotting tool and I'm filling in some of the images, just kind of giving it little accents. And then with the white gel paint, I decided that the nail with the gingerbread man was a little too plain, so I wanted to add a sweater design to the background. So I go ahead and I hand paint on that sweater design behind the gingerbread man. And then I do go in with the white and I do a couple accents on these scattered images as well. So then it's time for top coat. I will be using two different top coats. I'll be using the super shiny on top of the glitter nails. And then we will be using the Madame Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat for the gingerbread nails. So here's how the nails came out. They are super cute. I love the matte for the gingerbread nails, but then I love having the sparkly nails still shiny, so it adds that extra pop to it. I love doing matte nails because I feel like they just really bring out all of the detail, especially in stamping. But I feel like these are a super cute Christmassy set. You still have that glitter. It's still Christmas themed, but it is more neutral. So it's not like your super bright red and green and like louder colors. This is more of a neutral, but still very Christmassy set. So I did this set in early December, and then we will get into the brighter Christmassy colors later in the month. But you guys will have to let me know what you think of this design. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure to subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.